Ebusafo Makwaba back wo Adom TV Agoro from Enchekra na ye the exclusive interview ya ni Baby Jet Asamoah Gyan enyaye enra anaju de sioma ede ni nyina ede ebro na common door. So remember Baby Jet actually DNT Black Stars fie bebre ni ntime nje AFCON trophy no. Actually the reason why Jumedi so ebewram near the about so say Sika Kono the head coach of the national team betimi handle team no so wachirim kakra na de kra ne say Asamoah Gyan ne dide ayu ntawantawa no de ntia na mrante no enye ayonkofo ewo Black Stars camp nyina no eno so wawura a enya senkwa details nyina no enche de bro live ewo Adom TV so na answer cry ebekọ no ma menchia openi kese bi pa honorable Benjamin Kese enra yeto so aba e Takwa Nsuamu you say be the new MC kan na ye presiding member for Takwa Assembly enra yeto so aba MC for Takwa Nsuamu honorable Benjamin Kese yamenka ho na wontin anim encho exclusive interview with Baby Jet Asamoah Gyan live on Adom TV. Jensa Aka, the general captain of the Black Stars of Ghana, Baby Jet Asamoah Gyan, Yenano Ebenya, Komachuchi exclusively, Jumedi. So remember, say on the Ghana's top scorer, African's top scorer in the history of the World Cup, and Yense to Yakana Yenano Echuchi and Komo. Baby Jet Makwaba.
Yeah.
You have a code.
I'm Adom. That was it.
Yahuyepa. As a Corona season, Yen said until Kake say, Yahusa Upi, Corona season, how are you coping with it?
Say yenya ko Ghana fui say corona ni ba yenya yeti de o mampenyika ti de obeka no e na yenso yedi so because social ya yenso a yedu enim no yenso nkofo a so ehwe yen no ye educate omo about social distances in sanema no any hand sanitizers who ko bibia wo from sa ni semuna ye educating nkofo bebre na ya donations su bebre wo sanema no ntino corona ndi sene penyifo no so kan no eni penyim eni president eni bibia che wa che ntino de ayenya ye so ye wo aye hwe hu yi a odi abetu ye ntino ade boko
Corona season, who say even though why quiet today, but Adoye reaching out to the people, no, still an Edwakuma so PPE swatch, very kabake torch, sanitizers, nose mask coach. The last one, crano, 11-kilometer road and a deplorable. You know what me Edisikako. I had a dinner Kamakuma, Mauya Sadoin.
Corona no say I can say sometimes no say obi wona nyame tunin somewhere so show wichi. Nti ade bia me from day one enye corona we nkwa nti no corona ni ba no enso de besumi aye de aboa community no na yenso ye no road no nso no na say road aye nyina ye fa so but wo hwa say na enye kra say cars nyema na mi nso wonum tu no mi so me at risk but ye dey near to us we say nobody was trying to make any move bia ntino me decided say I was say me na benefit you bia at least obi hu say me ya next time no bibi sa nipa kono so obi hu say o say asu me say ya ye we am so next time me so metumi aye ntino futu na me de ma obi say my independent on one person say one person in ya de no next time no yenya betumi contribute and people did agree with me say go for mbe gina wa na omo ye road ni sane mani nyina I say they feel guilty kakra but me sure say by next time no ye bibi wa enye bibia na be depend on government sane ya mekan no bibi wo petty thing bi wo ha o depend on government I want show you what twen sa na be say ntino government ye roads N1 Nissan man big roads in the I didn't know ye feature road so and also depending on government say government in be intino me to me so na me try say I will help and I'm sure say nkofo so person so eboa next time intino entwe de nyambe
I'm for say ambition political in future because maybe a term na for so or kokwabre or MP or and now the State of Nations address now I show could come now to honomo. I'm for say the you ubi so be MP. Sa ambition or
always sometimes the people choose you. People can choose you to lead them. It's a road no cause say ngofobia na ngofobia can say any MP being can say there are so many things I also and first time couple of years back right go for the political way but my plan is I want to be into politics CCR but we are see the only name the bit me see obi one plan is to be a politician but at the end of the day be a politician which is a normal thing I'm happy say nkofo ni aso de maye no won say me can say obi say any MP maye we see be see the most important thing is say nkofo ni aso de maye no but talking about politics there bibia betumi see but CCR the politics ni madwim CCR.
Yeah, I'm sure your newfound sports, tennis, and then wonders how or serves the power behind it, movement on the court. Extraordinary. How did you get in love with tennis so soon?
Tennis was a better now. Me tennis. Like 12 years ago, now me try say me but now me schedule no. And me quite na me jaya but me buy mu full time say lockdown you buy we na yempie nti ye baby kakra we have to stay away nti no na me name go for ye bo kakra but I mean so before the lockdown so me call register Amtech club nti ho na de bia na ye bo ne kakra na I fell in love with the sport say sport we are ubet me about copy me even 85 years I still are ubet me about say due to my research in this animal a very very good sport and you will feel no ebi a hwe nkoso a ade a metumi dey exercise sisi a mabemu kakra say from time I started every season this is my 9th month I'm woman I think me improve pa tennis no although me nyanya pro but I think progress no e wo ho a metumi a share nkrofo bibre.
Your senior brother HUC football over tennis, between football and tennis.
Of course, me a football player. Football na man bibia maybe as him. So there's no way say any sport be but first saying football because football na mama ye nipa me tie na achede anyankopon de ama me no football. Although I've got different talents and also a bonus, but football no sport can come first.
Yeah, consider the effect of corona on our sports. Or Ghana, I'm saying corona the buy, your league and your break sporting activities be among restrictions or nipa movement. So yeah, share the effect of corona on our sports locally.
Someone said me di kan kaya no de o man penya kan and I was say yedi so yare ne de you say you your health first and any other thing sport in there or bia but bibi na wo hwero nkwa untumi nya wo de mbebo we no ntine you say ye di here and say ye de fata ntino I think say the econ I think many people have agreed although sports fans football fans in Kofo Bibi are missing sport but there's nothing to be done I will say share take precautions and make sure say bibi brain as answer yeah me as a sportsman also no me jitu me because me nkwa hu hia me ntino definitely need football no ma obia ntino I will say to yabo na but I think say the government decisions on take here no enye Ghana nkwa bibia lockdown ba bibia sports ya me breaking in and money I think say they did the right thing.
Yeah, one critical issue, sir, and I say one of the critical issues are discussed on the table now. The footballers are mobile local league, because of COVID-19, managers discuss and combine pay cut and it's already 500 and that's already 1,000, a month 500. Oh yeah, a footballer, in fact, the general captain of the Black Stars, obviously Corona season, players consider a pay cutter. I
mean, to say that I know they mean to me and pay cuts once because. Me, I'm a football player, and I don't want to be talking about money issues. I say, they here ni say you concentrate on yare and send a pay cut ni sign them and they be depending on individuals, it be depending on the clubs how they see things ni sign them and na or more between come out with their decisions.
Now, the president of the Ghana Football Association, Kasa, or choose you say you are one of the players Oma Bob Black Stars ever of you so Oma left Ghana here a yepa. Or comment on that to say.
Me tell you because Oyobia me respect as a personality yeah very good. I say me meeting for the first time. Ni kase mu ni bibia to me say somebody who is matured on also a name game no mu say me pona me nimpo say o kan cry but because of DNA cry no but me ne kan cry ni ama but say as a football player no say maye ejuma na obi hu me bosal we na nyankopon na medana say because me so me feel say maye ejuma abo man no and I think say obi nso we chain we hu ejuma me ye nti no medana say pa say on so to me I recognize me sir and secondly no I'm so confident say me so me need to form na me hwe de me so maye na I think say I belong there mean to me no be choice but I think say for me ni de me ma be hu no Ogbo go 4-5 I think say I should be in that group.
You are now a legend or a living legend.
Say no bit to me a friend because I think say what I've done in the game I'm very content wo me angasa me hu de maye no but bema be bi wan be nya different generation beba although still I game no mu ye try say ye be de ye bit me but I think from 2003 till now I think what I've done I think I belong in that group no yeah
na heavy na kasa na ocho say achievement no baby odru no was so bad there but now you lazy not just say can you laziness anka when you be times 4 of your achievement I will do this particular time no oti me sure so when you then I'll be reacted
I think say me who sa we no quote no I think say they misquoted him. One say headlines there bar send your betro no and say Jan is a lazy and I say no e ba ni sa na ba uko read asem na we say nye sana na o twen we say o kan me ko read here no o kan say me obi I'm lazy at training but I like competitions sana statements no here na obi per competitions it means say me no to my philosophy the training me basic things I will training me I make sure I do everything right there was a me training I put in like 80% me in bot gidi to say me bo match I just do the right thing say be convince coach who say there me sana me but we will him say match e do match you put in more effort because a match into no training say no kind e bia you use word lazy but e bia enye sad I am in person me give it 100% e bia me ko bo say training gidi say match e bia na makupra inte ya me so me hu kakra wo training but match so I think say obi ehu the kind of passion in the name I me put in our match mo ti say obi say ya you cannot see say if I go lazy but I think say brofuna o use onye English into brofuna because onu so coach me da yeah sometimes Bobby o ha office o I say me yana me kofa ba make me to make and say we game mu me simple into no yeah on train man on can come and tune into no yeah they be make and I quote I give 70 or 80% to learn the basics at training and then I give everything in the game. That is where it matters most. You have to just deliver because there are some players in the match, in the training, bought to say match they are convincing coach, but we need too much more. Ubisa say we need training nana. I try to make the good things basic. The coach because I try to make it well, practice it well. Let me do match. I give you everything.
Is one particular coach Waji AFCON with 2 different countries? They say or can say. the next country or the beji AFCON Ghana. O share the technical qualities and abilities. Obviously, obetimi the current Black Stars aje AFCON.
Why not? Ebi onu so we chire we hu mistakes and we coach Ghana team leader. Obi say you cannot doubt the person because or the team to say statistically football we know Ghana we name Zambia or the Zambia aje or the Ivory Coast aje. Inti no obi say kan say ma so unso no so gina the original so the can say because why you be that. Inti obi say kan say ma you cannot doubt the person. Inti no a very good coach. Good coach. Oh, share an international records in this and a very good coach. And menina ejumada or you be a percent players. You're very fit. On the ground, put all fit crossing players. No, me kai sad time no. You call no Johnny. You could beach worker. No put giant ho. Until the side na or they are making sure any players are very fit. Intino, why not? Or no, I can say they are definitely no. In the future, you might not know say a bit me coach national team and so on coach, but it can be possible because we've got the quality.
And obey coach at Ghana here now at this moment.
So you see, you're a very good coach. My point, very good coach. First time I'm home, they be making the tactic, no. Send your shisha players, no, very good. I think say you man a chance and you the support, no. Etani here. Now feel confident. Now on not taking on one decisions. I think say he can do well.
Let's look at the quality of players currently or Black Stars no more. Now senior brother cast more time in the crowd, no more quality was returning the current Black Stars players. When you are doing DNM you the quality before I know no more boy.
Say we are see the generation. Your generation sometimes you know paying for crowd to me who see a generation muka say oh yeah time no players was saying say it's normal obiani no opinion says na me brother kan no so what nature no so ehu senior identity but for me when I was coming up new players I mean your boy any qualities I want is obviously say I have to be real say quality no sing say but and I make us say different generations and I'm sure pose Omo compare since 2006 a qualified call World Cup ni sa winner Omo munim because it's there we've got sometimes no players are not no Obian to me like unim the obeka I say at the end of the day records don't lie you know
as a player tell me be frank to me say a DNA idea would do your power feel say untumi achieve in life because so be one of the and I say the player to have scored many goals in the history of the World Cup will lead your country the top scorer major achievement na wanya in your career a then office untumi achieve
African Cup no? For me I think say na idea if he say personally between achieve but so far since 2003 I'm joining national team they be a back close into me you know idea me still the back close say beji but into me happy you know still I will reach you say e bit me aje me dey be make say me into me anje cramp na next generation omuso beba no omuso be bompa say omuso betumi aje.
In your opinion, they now feel say the problem in here am I into me and the African Cup because the last time I called number preparation is solid BBI come.
It's a DBI make say politics in football no there. It's not gonna work. DBI make I mean person me go into details but I make say but the politics bad football more. You can have the best players in the world but politics and sign money there. Because it's far from football. Football, you're sending a managing football, and you're sending a managing politics. But you're the boom na politics. It's not gonna take the team anywhere.
Politics no to say because now no wakasu can be or be retracted. Majid Warison so can be say favoritism, politics na no say again. Mo kase politics. I am munchiri mukaka. I am not saying moda politicians mamu now camp. I am saying.
Oh, when you talk about politics, and your politicians in Kwa as such, there are so many things going on. If you say, for example, my brother, our ball national team, or ball most of the qualifiers. e do World Cup no your man call standby players are omambo qualify ni bi enye say na we prapo what you say you need to standby list players omambo qualifiers ni say omambo call team no what you say and those players no na where they were better than my brother and as I say but and I make say any politician say we politician and as I say and there are some people who earned to be in the national team. What I say, me no, tell me all liberty no. I earned my place in the national team because me all liberty na me bono. Enye obi na ni obi ko kasa we chi say yemfa ni nhim. Obi a hu ni ejuma me ye na ni me shame. What I say. So there are so many things going on. Sometimes politics, politicians no so count. Sometimes so people play politics between the teams. Nisa and mano. What I say, which and I make us a politics in football. No, there, it's not gonna work. You give the players what they deserve. What I say, you know.
Okay, but young players no so far. I told that Ghana for feels okay. Players never omo pesikasem bonus before the match. Cry near discuss his car. You see come by and also bit my factor here. Black Stars into me AFCON.
No. Any problem. Sikasem into being distracted players. And say sometimes you have to say o kind of cry Cheni pakro and don't say any pakro to me juma. Sometimes ebia na complain about the wrong time. Na ebia no coincidence bi na bibia go see. Na ebia ka say oh Sikasem nti na say ni say. But the pakro no ebia e ba ni say. That is why I say ninya politics. What I say because for example if you get me if you not get me wrong, most of the population here they are illiterate. What I say, there are so many things that ABIO nipa kono penyimuno di enimnu onim said this at the same way but because BBC or radio so now say or year 1-2 politics be na a tongue of food team pe na fi de obi do ti say blast afa go business car. Now say that I feel the pressure now by the so now obi started can there say okay because the pakro on person odi ne nimba akoje nti obe play politics onu be clean na obi ho ayefi you see what I'm trying to say nti no say na man we nyina and they know say for me since I've been in the national team obi can say man say me I've been the captain, I've been part of the team before. Now nobody should even blame the players. Because me go and I mean there also. And for me I stand behind my players. Ni free players that and they know. Baby I never free no ni pa kon so omo yes anu so munim. Because nobody can blame the player. I've never seen say the players are at fault. Never.
You better need to to say can I see the free Black Stars because you hear the trophy more than anything now.
Yeah, and anytime be a tournament, say I dream back. Say, I was say to me, Koji trophy. I say, ye be a free team now. It me Koji trophy. To win a trophy, no, and yet individual win a bit me a trophy. A collective work. Yeah, sometimes me jokey, children me now for you. Where I say football a personal way and come in, maybe I got tournament. I meet me a Kasema Koji tournament because I know the kind of mindset I have. What about others? And I say, only will be a team. What I say, intino, sana, akoye football near collective job. Intimate my imagine, ubi in your dream, ubi see, ubi my coach 2, ubi consider 3. So many things involved. To win a cup, it's not an easy task, but in your dream back one, definitely cup because we have the quality.
Unity will Black Stars team, because they do baby at a factions kakawa we know ye. A bidding crop for Asamoah Gyan group near into when some back camper we per or ben way. I mean unity or Black Stars at the same.
Yeah, the unity is cool. BBI fine, but sometimes people get it wrong. Say, and you say Obi I work and be Obi to me I was down for. And as I say, this Obi wo camp ye nya back Obi or feel comfortable around. Intenu nche say omni we bon come onya na down for. On say Drew baby na ye nya ye share as a team Obi anim say team ni but in commodity there you to me enforce we say I don't only way in casa and there e be depend but the Drew baby ye na to me coincident like ye to me be share man common de na ya sere abumu ye jimi abumu ana obi asere fine na obi as usual me man go for sere ne sa ne ma no but yeah go for a mistake here there no because obi antumi nya wadamfo you choose the person you want to talk to, you want to have a private conversation with. I know in Chelsea only will be in your fine.
How soon now feel say Ghana for expect you back into the Black Stars?
So yeah, I'm available. Menya injury. Kakraba. Sisi ana me ho atomi no. Yeah, I'm trying to keep fit and see. Me transit for a long time. And I wasn't doing anything, and of course, I'm gaining some weight. Until I was say I work on my weight. You know, na my young kakra na menya me normal fitness and then I'm ready to go. But you see, there's no injuries. I'm just being there, having some light training. So I think I can gradually, you know, me draw.
Over disappointed, say maybe a year or two na Sika Akono throw back into the Black Stars.
No, say any day a decision. And so I say, coach, be I say or take your one decision. You know, me, you know, send me kind, I'm still available. Ebia now who frame say member national team. I'm not the Asamoah Gyan you used to see like 10 years ago, and I said I have to assess myself. Say, am I ready to come join the national team? And baby, I say it's all about communication. Say me who say oh you're frame me now, I feel say I'm not ready. Definitely I have to tell whoever invited me and I say coach, you know, say but me okay. If me okay say make me abo sa particular moment I am frame now, why not? Still I'm in the game. I still feel good in my body. You know, it's no joke. Like me now I still have me feeling young despite say injuries this and man. Definitely people will judge you say oh see and they normal, but I feel good in my body. Say I can still continue playing.
There be a man focus say Asamoah Gyan kwan be to replace Asamoah Gyan or call it in free Black Stars man. Player now be to recommend say up front they can the strikers Ghana for a while be me aboa Black Stars going forward.
So be an inequality or me I've been there for decades and obi abejimi atum. Nti definitely you know normal say sometimes when people don't see you why you used to you know normal and see football no say they make a different generation. What I say that me free are definitely mean to me called traffic because I'm bobo and I see but me wo hono nkwa there I'm available there but so far no Jordan is the one doing well up front you say or he'll be he's doing well in the Premier League his length Mishena with Swinsia Nemabia I think is helping him while was this kind of game kakra and I think he's got more to prove and then say make I say obi any kind of qualities or maybe qualities and me one enye na Jordan wo or so niam bia me so enye me na me wo but send me kind a different generation but so far no there Jordan I think is the number one for me.
Yeah, coach Sika Akono as the head coach of the Black Stars. Ebinim say now nu ho na de adwumana question and say ebinim kra say Black Stars players majority able outside the country nti ebia Sika wo musem into ntimi manage omo. Coach Sika Akono or that a command so betimi manage Black Stars players. Yemfa mu nyina monka ho.
Sika Obia is a man of his word. Menena a meeting you say Obia and nkofo na ejuma nyina be catch enye onti say onye Obia you can detect for him. Say yes no obey or a mistake or accepting a fault. And that is what we Ghanaians should allow the coach to because ABI and why program I don't know wembo china we kobo na afi the coach na go blame no enti no I say ye ja coach no ye ne djuma se na be o ye mistake o kan no we nya biaka enye se obeka je se fa we kotum another yesi and I think CK obi wabobo Germany you know he's got that mentality your mentality you know say and I think from my information you know, that was why he quitted most of the class because people are trying to detect for him and he doesn't accept it. Sometimes only clubs be no. What I say, Oyo I think he can handle the national team.
So it means that some of the coaches are more dano na it mean man pressure, it mean influence man ye be a selections be a nanka be or no apimuno and ka want to me and select you.
Ewo say me will game no for a long time. Sometimes no enye Ghana nkwa or be a sometimes people put pressure on the coach. Just say far away shame this and man.
Because here time ABC.
And they mean but I know say it happens. It happens sometimes. So and they mean to me because assume but me with my experience now me will give I know say there are some face pressure from above. To me koye mistakes. And I don't think CK is like that. CK will be a obequity. That is the kind of person I see him to be. So trying to interfere in his way now.
Wow.
Because he's a man of his choice. I didn't know coaching course. I didn't know a license. You have to leave the person to do the job. Or you mistake, then you can criticize the person. To me, because any pakon for win kotum or the kotum we are now you mistake. Now who criticize So the person any pakon and I think say CK is that kind of person. To me in the
Baby Jet, Samria leaks in our suspension. Meaning, say, Europe no baby will horma air started. One casa ambition or Europe net saying, Matisse clubs back community who didn't come out, and also a home come out to saying.
Since me available, say me Indian club, no minimum about 1 year with option. Until about 1 year, and I can't option, but see, I lockdown. I league Nyan started, and you know, training kakana me started. Say, there are some clubs they try to, but I haven't seen anything concrete. For now, say see. For now, and you know what I'll do is I'll just keep on playing my tennis and running at the beach just to keep fit. Now, make sure say anytime baby, I'm not ready.
What will be your ideal way out person can say bye-bye to the national team? Because I mean, most of your players will be who at times near Jana Kwan na Nyama Basa, we player who achieve well with the national team. O pese uja national team kwan be na o pese faso, pese bo match bi, what pija o JCB, no ya announcement and I say how do you want to leave the national team?
Say people leave the national team with pain. Yeah. There are a lot of players I can testify. You know, I don't want to mention names, but for me, I'm just there making sure say, if they decide to give me a farewell, definitely my soul will be happy. So definitely although people appreciate me, say me or so people appreciate me, but it be depending on how they want to do it. Ejumana kopim tama maybe meet me the team decided say I'll play a testimonial game. GF in me decided say they will do something for me. Maybe I'll play a game or something. It will depend on them. And secondly, it will depend on me. Send them so me pese me but say I'm still in the game, but as time goes on, ideas baba.
So you are not planning your ideal way of executive blasters. No?
Since I'm planning, say me still am go subo. There are some. It's natural. Natural idea. With me sorry anopa. If I make a say, maybe 4 years time. Me bobo. I did meet me friend, my brother. Can say, I'm done. You know, it depends on how the day goes. And say every day be nipa body is every time. You know, let's see how it goes. But see, I need I'm okay. Me bobo.
How many years now? Who say will serve with the national team? And I say, well, lifespan in football, no, feels like cabers and wow, was so one.
With the national team, I mean, a bit my say China, a bit my say Chinechi. It's for me. I think I've been in the national team for decades, and I'm still available in the national team. If Obi decided say, on frame national team, I'm okay in Paibo. I debate Thai boys nation, you better how much. What you say? You know, and talking about football, see, I know, honestly, mean to me in time, major because I feel good in my body. Also, to me, sad dedication in the hobium. Yeah, that is where you can call it a day. But I still have that passion in me. Say, Michelle, just in Kujina Park, so I can deliver. You know, they here one day, I said, I have to be fit. to play football. And the most important thing. I must start here, let's see.
Yambra, the captains of the national team, especially Stephen Appiah, when say sometimes they can't want some so no inspire or you say Asamoah Gyan's one qualities. You compare qualities how the lead Black Stars no, and the current captain of the Black Stars, the the qualities are no difference here. The
Andre, like he's got that quality. He's a unmotivating for, especially on the field. He's a Bibi Atuchima. Which me shout to like, hey, I'm gonna wake you up. What I say, and he knows how to talk in the dressing room, before a game. Say obe motivate, ubia. And I mean, so me what my style mean so me sometimes me what some looks be me be sure you won't say or say, oh yeah, near my right, and you necessarily say or say be I mean so obi shouting or say me to. Me shout to about naturally shouting in there, but me naturally say we shout to, but mostly me facial expression is an emano. Sometimes maybe me ba na me buefu enyo obi na be catch say me buefu because me nye obi a de bia na me muna na say o de bia me very lively nti china me ba na me buefu a o say steady say what is going on. So me style I try to educate people privately. Chale match na ko bon chale see. Yes, see. And that's it. Sometimes you do dressing room, obi to me volunteer, ekasa, echere. Yeah, I mean, sometimes, I don't do that much. I leave it for those who feels they want to motivate them. Because me, everybody knows what I do behind the scene. What I say. So it's not necessarily to be on the style or the or the motivate. Obi so anymore. But so yena obi an say on na say ni si and dey wo ho ntino and dey sanity obi an ni quality
young clear for the last time no cross time and now we captain no na the day you nya captain na obeje ono ankasa as a player na hu ni dimi na now face ono ankasa onya obeje onya ope
and the ade wo ni team me to me nchiro bi team but I say being the ni say time me captain no me na me captain. It is a no fee say like nani team we hear the idea or no answer. But me, me what no there now me dream ubi say oh see ni so. There are a lot of talks I so, but sometimes I don't want to talk about all these things. But to me in there, me a captain in there say any injury me and me a captain. But it's
okay, for still higher Adom TV Jumediano Agoro from an exclusive interview with Baby Jet Asamoah Gyan. And na yede eba yentwa umra yeba de wochi no e brutal for your live or Adom TV so Agoro from Jumediano and uti exclusive interview with Baby Jet Asamoah Gyan. Kakana karo mamemfa enka ho enfama na enjoy budget life after football usini brother ka so otwen we game na no mabana ma coaching courses ebia the national team ebia any club level bia me say wa promise that say bebo Kumasi Asante Korkwansa na finally wa retire life after football for you it is saying
yeah I think I'll take that into consideration about getting a coaching license because I've got an IQ in coaching. Me to me so nema obi to me train because obi to me a good coach. Me brother so my hwe no. Ono so nema bia ono so ye. Ni nema me ma catch ni say onye coach. And ono so aka say ene onye coach a man assistant and I say me coach no I am assistant. Intino I don't want to go outside the game say be I may retire. I have to just do something to get involved in the game because yes I anya papa I bet me about say bet me jai ball but there are so many people who may jai ball they are not back into the game obi omo your businesses and I say but I'll try and get a coaching license because I've got the IQ I've got everything about coaching I can coach a team but I have to get the license first and then we see my brothers will send our kind also planning so beji coaching license we take it from there.
Meaning say already we a businessman and now we a successful businessman. You say Baby Jet Airlines and so on. Say me na a pipeline mo. So far update I want to say about that.
As you say, the air course with the mean to me and Kansas here. Definitely there are things going on behind the scene. I don't want to declare now because this year there, we share lockdown in Yama. You know, there are so many even airline companies are egu. Companies be egu in Yama, and maybe I think say it's a blessing in disguise. Say minyamba ya usanyama winya. It's just imagine say finally mabana lockdown about it's gonna be a very huge blow to me. Inti we be better nyamiase.
Me share down for uncle the GFA how the new FA president ran because and chair na obo abaso ebia na obo abaso into who new maybe kra na wontumi nka otina akire be 7 months near or start say we lead the FA no said the no mercy cost no saying
I think when you talk about branding the new Ketukreku is very good at branding, like how to make sure everything goes well, like branding, no? And they started so well. You know, now I was very, very impressed. But it's rather unfortunate, say lockdown in Yamaba, CCRBBS slowed down. But I think he's got very good eye for the job because we share ni team now or work around Puna Dream Safety now. We share or more senior club netia. You said they are well organized, or you'll be very, very organized. You know, I'll be GFA president. You know, I think will be techie signing because secondly, so nim game no so count. You know. Also name the strategies but to depend on the team and also buano you know and he's the president and he's very, very, very intelligent, so he knows the people he can move with. Senebia fine, you know, so far so good.
Yeah, mon come finally on the Baby Jet promotion. I mean say o boxer say o kwa kudi Rudy Bella for no and say minim boxing no o san be mbie mo pa akora bi na watete no and I say you are done with boxing.
See and say obia nim say Imaratego no oni yeni Rudy Bella for no collaboration, you know. Media the dam makuma so and say me say oye world champion before I move on to the next one. You know, I focus. I want to say on G World title and Bragana, we see what to do. So far now, two kind of binyanya promotion be our Ghana because my focus is on him being the world champion. And you know, I'm sure they nyambe honso.
Two Ghana players for finally na yakokra na afutu no ebe saying because bebre now no be din koma o say omo hwe omo lead up to you ni ade afutu ade be mom ni saying.
Football is all about dedication, determination, hard work. And you know, Sanyama we in there also to me wo. So see football now person body I say what doing here football. I say what doing here football kwa e wo bi wo ha nipa dase ni bi wo mo ba wi ase adidem. Obetumi niam bebre at a go. But I don't say nipa yen nso be but you know the make catch one more ban say some of the boys you use some boy also more dedicated to the game. Now be very, very, very focused and say unti the obi kan wa ha.
Ebuzafo ma me na wase na breno ayebe enfensi akakra ka echi no Adom online na ye betron kama dia ba na fiada platforms nyina no ye de ba na a one-on-one interview exclusive with Baby Jet Asamoah Gyan and I de bro live wa Adom TV Agoro for me corner ma me fa nche modern ema me na ya akosua brago wo KT school Kumasi 7 years no de show no feni Agoro na fe list wall me chao justice fire officer also nyame enkampa me de maestro production team no Sergio and Africa camera crew director sane asaletio akaubia.